Off the coast of mainland China, shrouded in mist and mystery, lie the captivating outlying islands of Taiwan. These islands, sculpted by time and tide, hold a special allure for adventurers and dreamers alike. Penghu, Kinmen, and Matsu each possess a unique charm, a blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey, an aerial exploration of Taiwan's enigmatic outlying islands. Get ready to experience the magic of Taiwan's outlying islands as never before. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty, intrigued by the history, and charmed by the culture of Taiwan's outlying islands. Our journey begins now. Our first destination is Penghu, an archipelago of 90 islands and islets, renowned for its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and unique geological formations. Here, the azure waters of the Taiwan Strait meet dramatic basalt cliffs, creating a landscape that is both rugged and breathtaking. We will soar above vibrant coral reefs, home to a kaleidoscope of marine life, and witness the raw power of the ocean as it carves intricate patterns into the coastline. Next, we venture to Kinmen, an island steeped in history and military significance. We will explore the remnants of its turbulent past, from the imposing fortifications that line its shores to the underground tunnels that once served as vital lifelines. Yet, beyond its military legacy, Kinmen is also a place of unexpected beauty, with charming villages, traditional architecture, and a rich cultural heritage that has been preserved for generations. Finally, we journey to Matsu, the northernmost outpost of Taiwan's outlying islands. Here, granite cliffs rise dramatically from the sea, their slopes dotted with traditional villages and ancient temples. We will witness the resilience of the Matsu people, who have carved out a life on these rugged islands, their traditions and way of life inextricably linked to the sea. Get ready to be captivated by a land of stark beauty and timeless traditions. Throughout our journey, we will encounter the warmth and hospitality of the local people who are eager to share their stories and traditions. We will savor the flavors of local cuisine, from fresh seafood to traditional delicacies, and immerse ourselves in the vibrant culture of these islands, witnessing colorful festivals and ancient rituals that have been passed down through generations. Come explore with us. Our 4K drone footage will provide a unique perspective on these islands, revealing hidden coves and breathtaking vistas that are inaccessible by foot. We will witness the islands from a vantage point few have experienced, soaring above turquoise waters, verdant hills, and ancient villages, capturing the essence of each island's unique character. The drone's eye will become our own, allowing us to appreciate the intricate details of the landscapes, the patterns of life unfolding below, and the sheer scale and grandeur of these natural wonders. From the bustling heart of Magong City to the tranquil shores of a secluded beach, our drone will capture the essence of life on Taiwan's outlying islands. We will witness fishermen casting their nets at dawn, farmers tending to their fields, and children playing in the streets, offering a glimpse into the rhythms of daily life that have remained largely unchanged for generations. These intimate portraits of island life will reveal the spirit and resilience of the people, their deep connection to their heritage, and their unwavering love for their island home. But our exploration goes beyond simply capturing stunning visuals. Through the power of storytelling, we will delve into the history, culture, and natural wonders of each island, bringing their stories to life. We will hear tales of ancient seafaring traditions, witness the legacy of centuries-old conflicts, and learn about the unique flora and fauna that thrive in these isolated environments. Get ready for a feast for the senses. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable aerial adventure, exploring the hidden gems of Taiwan's outlying islands. From the azure waters of Penghu to the rugged coastlines of Matsu, we will uncover the secrets of these enchanting islands, capturing their beauty, history, and culture like never before. Let the adventure begin. As our drone ascends, the Penghu Archipelago emerges, a scattering of emerald jewels in the Taiwan Strait. 64 islands and islets form this enchanting archipelago, a haven of tranquility and natural splendor. From the air, the islands resemble a painter's palette, a vibrant tapestry of turquoise waters, verdant hills, and golden beaches. Penghu, known as the Pescadores by Portuguese explorers, has long been a sanctuary for those seeking respite. The gentle sea breeze carries the scent of salt and the sound of waves, a soothing symphony. As we approach Penghu, the largest island, a sense of anticipation builds. Below, fishing boats leave trails of shimmering white as they head out to sea. The sun glints off the water, creating a dazzling spectacle while seabirds soar overhead. We are about to delve into a world of natural wonder and cultural richness. The island of Penghu is a land of contrasts, where modern amenities blend with ancient traditions. Prepare to be captivated by the charm of Penghu, where time moves at a slower pace. Our journey through this island paradise is just beginning, and we can't wait to share its wonders with you. Magong City, a tapestry of time. Our drone descends towards Magong City, the vibrant heart of Penghu. From the air, the city unfolds like a colorful tapestry, its streets a labyrinth of history and culture interwoven with modern life. Towering above the cityscape is the iconic Penghu Great Bridge, a ribbon of concrete and steel that connects Magong Island to neighboring Baisha Island, a symbol of the island's progress and interconnectedness. The drone glides over the bustling harbour, a hive of activity as fishing boats unload their daily catch, their decks piled high with a silvery bounty. The air is thick with the cries of vendors hawking their wares, a symphony of sound that speaks to the vibrancy of life in this island metropolis. We soar above the colourful rooftops of traditional houses, their intricate carvings a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. As we venture further into the heart of the city, we encounter historic temples, their ornate roofs adorned with mythical creatures and intricate designs, offering a glimpse into Penghu's rich spiritual heritage. The drone pauses above the South Sea God Temple, one of the oldest and most revered temples in Penghu, its incense-filled air carrying the prayers of generations of worshippers. We can almost hear the whispers of history echoing through the temple's ancient courtyards. Magong City is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, where the echoes of ancient traditions can still be heard amidst the hum of modern life. The city's streets are a melting pot of cultures, a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of Chinese, Japanese and European influences, a testament to Penghu's strategic importance throughout history. We'll soon leave the city behind to explore the natural wonders that lie scattered across Penghu's shores. Nature's masterpieces, basalt columns and coral shores. Leaving the urban bustle behind, our drone ascends towards Penghu's southern coast, where nature's artistry takes center stage. The landscape transforms, revealing a rugged shoreline sculpted by wind and wave. Towering basalt columns rise majestically, their hexagonal shapes resembling a giant organ. Our drone weaves between the columns, capturing their unique beauty. The ocean crashes against the cliffs, sending plumes of white spray into the air. This landscape inspires awe and wonder, hidden coves and pristine beaches, their white sands lapped by crystal-clear waters. Coral reefs teeming with marine life lie just offshore. Witness this underwater paradise. Penghu's natural beauty extends far beyond its coastline. Emerald green islands rise from the sea, blanketed in lush vegetation. These uninhabited islands are havens for wildlife. Our aerial exploration of Penghu is just beginning. Stay tuned as our journey continues, approaching the Guardian Isle. Bidding farewell to Penghu, our drone sets course for Kinmen, a small island with a big history. Known as the Gate of Taiwan, Kinmen is a strategic outpost guarding the Taiwan Strait. The landscape transforms dramatically to rugged cliffs and windswept dunes. Scars of Kinmen's turbulent past are etched into the landscape. Concrete bunkers, remnants of the Cold War, dot the coastline, yet a sense of tranquility pervades. As we descend towards Jincheng, the landscape softens, revealing traditional villages and ancient banyan trees. Kinmen's story is one of courage, resilience, and the enduring spirit of its people. Our journey through Kinmen is just beginning. Section 2. Echoes of a Turbulent Past. Our drone glides over the Gunning battlefield, a windswept expanse that witnessed one of the most pivotal battles in Kinmen's history. In 1949, outnumbered nationalist forces repelled a massive communist invasion, securing Taiwan's future. Today, the battlefield stands as a poignant reminder, its trenches and bunkers preserved as a memorial. The drone captures rusted tanks and artillery pieces, remnants of fortifications that once bristled with guns. Yet life has returned to the battlefield. Wildflowers bloom, birdsong fills the air, and the wind whispers through the grass. We descend into the Haishan tunnels, a network carved into the granite cliffs. The air inside is cool and damp, the silence broken by dripping water. Below us, the Taiwan Strait sparkles, with mainland China visible on the horizon. Next, we'll explore the more peaceful side of Kinmen. Section 3. Villages frozen in time. Section 1. Land of the Wind Gods. Section 2. Nangan, where granite kisses the sky. Section 3. Echoes of War, Whispers of Peace. Section 1. Penghu's Archipelago Adventures. Our exploration of Kinmen continues, our drone now hugging the island's rugged coastline, revealing hidden coves and secluded beaches that lie tucked away from the well-trodden tourist paths. Our final destination is Matsu's outer islands, those remote outposts that lie scattered like jewels across the vast expanse of the Taiwan Strait. As our aerial adventure draws to a close, we find ourselves reflecting on the incredible diversity and breathtaking beauty of Taiwan's outlying islands. Our aerial exploration of Taiwan's outlying islands has only scratched the surface of all that these enchanting destinations have to offer. Beyond the stunning landscapes and rich history, there's a world of culinary delights to savor, from fresh seafood and traditional delicacies to locally grown tea and fruit. There are festivals and celebrations that bring communities together, showcasing the vibrant culture and traditions that have been passed down through generations. We invite you to embark on your own adventure to discover the hidden corners and unique charms of Penghu, Kinmen and Matsu. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature and culture, these islands have something to offer everyone. Explore the ancient temples, wander through the traditional villages, lose yourself in the beauty of the natural landscapes, and embrace the warmth and hospitality of the local people. Taiwan's outlying islands are waiting to welcome you with open arms. Let the spirit of adventure guide you as you uncover the hidden gems of these enchanting islands, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Your journey of discovery begins now. We hope that our aerial adventure has inspired you to experience the magic of Taiwan's outlying islands for yourself. Come, explore, discover, and create your own unforgettable memories in this corner of the world where beauty, history, and culture intertwine to create an experience unlike any other.